Let's face it, we used to be good at putting on our makeup, and now we're a little bit older, it's suddenly become too hard. So it could be because our complexions have changed, we've got more blemishes, more lines, more wrinkles on our faces, and we don't have that smooth canvas that we were once working with. So rather than battle with it and try and put on makeup that we're not too sure about, we just give up, and we might wear maybe a tiny bit of lip gloss, but that's it, because who cares? Who's looking at us anyway? But let's face it, they actually are, and it's good for our self-esteem when we know how to put some makeup on ourselves, and it doesn't have to be a huge amount, it's just a little bit to make us feel more present. So I'm getting together with Vanessa Busby, who is a superb makeup artist, and we're presenting a makeup tutorial for the women whose colours I've already done, to teach you how to put your makeup on in a way that is easy, doesn't take up too much time, and looks natural, and more importantly, in the right colours for you. So you would need to bring along your swatch, and then Vanessa would teach you how to apply your makeup. You'd be set up with your own mirror, and she would take you through step by step. And of course, I'm here to give you a recap on your colours and to teach you which makeup colours are going to be perfect for your complexion. So for instance, if this were your swatch colour, can you see how this makeup, this lipstick, would be perfect within this swatch? Yet this lipstick that I was using earlier doesn't go at all. So it's all about making sure that you're using the right colours to flatter your complexion. And of course, not just lipsticks, but eyeshadows and blushes and foundations and all those tricky things that have suddenly become too hard for us. So if you're interested, if I've already done your colours, if you'd like to know how to put makeup on yourself, click on the link below. It will be on Saturday the 10th of December, starting at 2:30 p.m. until 4:30, so 2 hours of makeup, colour, and of course, fun. Just click on the link below. This is Kate from Colour Me Kate. Oh, and I forgot to mention, bring your own makeup with you, because Vanessa will go through and she will help you to use the makeup that you already own, or suggest that maybe what you have is not the right colour, or she may have a better alternative for you. She'll have her makeup, you bring yours, and together we will, let's face it, create a fabulous looking you.